Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can create a calendar in Google Sheets. So it's very easy. Any two option you can create a calendar in Google Sheets. So option one, you can open the Google Chrome and select the grid icon in the top right and just select Sheets, and then you can see the template gallery. Just tap on it and select annual calendar. So appears like this calendar. You can change the themes. Just select format and change themes, and just select the themes available here. Just click times. So you can also change the year for the very first set. Just tap on it and change the year. So that's option one. And for option two, you can create a calendar for manually. So for instance, I already make it calendar for manually. So you can um, right click on the sheet and click duplicate. You can change for the month, and you can change for the date. So press 1, 2, look and drag, just delete it and go to below and so on. Like so. Rename, and you can copy paste for the next one. Okay, so that's how to create a calendar in Google Sheet in two options. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.